And Chickens for Chicks now has another breed. I've got Buff Standard Cochins. These are young enough that the females aren't laying yet. If you look at her face, see how pink it is? And then look at her face. See how red that is? She's about ready to start laying eggs. This one here, you see the light pink? She's not ready to lay eggs yet. It'll be a little bit. You can see that with her. She's getting close. Their faces get really red when they're ready to lay eggs. Like that one right there. That girl back there is probably going to be laying eggs in the next week or two. So, that is the new thing at Chickens for Chicks. We got Buff Standard Cochin. So now I have Blue Black Splash. I'm actually going to put a couple cuckoo females in here because I have more boys than I want. But look at them, aren't they gorgeous? They're all young. They're all between 12 to 2 months. I think that's 12 weeks to 14 and a half weeks. So they're all really young.